Join your feet. Raise both the hands up. Breathe in and breathe out. Bend forward. Place the palm next to your foot. Bring your chest close to the knees and take a deep 5. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So breathe in, you can raise your hands up and breathe out, hands sideways. You can repeat 2 to 3 times. Sit in Vajrasana, slide your hands in front, rest your forehead down, rest your elbow down, and stay in Shashankasana and take a 5 deep breath in and out. Breathe in and out. Deep breathe in and out. So slowly you can slide your hands back and relax. Lie down on your back, bring your both the legs closer, palm next to the body. Breathe in and take your both the legs slowly behind towards the head. Touch the toe if possible, if not, take it a little bit up, or you can take a palm support. And stay and take 5 breaths there. And then slowly you can come back and slowly easily lower down your legs. Come close to the wall. Bring your hips completely close to the wall and legs straight up towards the wall. Hands away from the body, eyes closed, and stay here for 5 breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. So this is the way you can practice for 2 to 3 times again. Slowly you can turn your body and take support and sit up. Lie down on your back, fold your right knee, fold your left knee, join your foot and open your legs wide like a butterfly and hands away from the body and stay here and take a 5 breath. Deep breathe in and take 5 breath in. Then slowly bring your knee joint and straighten your leg one by one. Lie down on your back and take at least 1 to 2 feet distance and hands away from the body, palm facing up. And here you just need to watch your breath, how fast, how slow you're breathing. You need to watch your heartbeat, how fast, how slow it's beating. And you have to relax each and every muscles from top to bottom. Your toes, your knees, your hip joint, elbow, shoulders, head, all the 5 senses. You need to relax each and every body parts, your joints and muscles, your organs, and be grateful for everything. You just need to watch your breath. Your attention will go here and there, but you need to again bring back your attention to your heartbeat and your breathing. Stay here for 5 to 10 minutes and then you can slowly come back.